Hey guys, Czar here, joining you right on the open. It is 9:31. We're 1 minute into the open. You can see that first 1 minute candle is the white candle on all three charts. This is the three sisters, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow, side by side with VWAP, volume weighted average price. Again, 1 minute charts, basically doing the same thing here structure-wise this morning. We've got a little bit of synchronicity going on, at least for the moment. That can change in a heartbeat. Keep our eyes on this. Take you over to the trading grid on the Dow. You can see we've now had a zone reversal here in the morning and tapping another zone up here at the top. That's the Dow. Let's take a look at the S&P. Something fairly similar actually happening there. And then the NASDAQ tapping a zone. So now things get interesting. All right, guys, I'm going to let me take a look at the three sisters again one more time with you. Okay, keep my eye on this. And I'll put you on pause for now and bring you back as things materialize here. And stay with us for a minute here. Look at this. Look at the NASDAQ and S&P flipping, and now the Dow flipping as well. Interesting here, guys. I'm going to stay with you for a moment. 1 minute chart on the right-hand side. This is the NASDAQ. Let's go over to the Dow. I'm still watching the three sisters on a different monitor. Always watching. Dropping on the NASDAQ. Right back to VWAP. This is the open. I don't typically trade in the first 10 minutes. I sometimes do if there's something compelling. This is not compelling yet. All right, pause now, guys. Still watching here, guys. NASDAQ and the S&P very strong. Dow is faltering just a little bit. Bring you back to the Dow. That's gold, actually. Took a quick peek at gold, too. S&P trying to break into a new fresh zone here on the bottom left-hand side. 30-minute candle, clean traffic, cleanish traffic, I should say. There's a bit of an issue here, but NASDAQ, clean traffic zone. And we've tapped the zone on the Dow. Guys, I'm watching this very closely now. All right. "35 seconds left in this candle. If we get a blue candle, I'm going to let you know that I'm watching this. The three sisters on a different monitor as well. When we're tapping key zones like this, you can see these are very key zones. I want to keep my eyes open for a reversal, all right? Trying to stay above here on the S&P, but we have these wicks to contend with. And they will likely play a part here. NASDAQ, clean traffic, but rejecting. This is not an order or trade or anything, guys. It's just a marker. Lots to see here this morning. Momentum seems to want to continue higher. We're going to watch that and just believe what the market's telling us until it says something different. Right now it's saying I'm going up. NASDAQ saying I'm taking a breather here, right? NASDAQ dropping. Dow continues higher. Huge relative opening candle here, up 122 points on the Dow. S&P struggling with this wick rejection here from earlier today, and the NASDAQ not able to stay above. I'm going to be focused on the Dow here, guys. Interesting. This is the outlier. They're all up about the same. The futures, 36 basis points, 38 and 57. NASDAQ's a bit stronger than the others, but not by much. For the whole futures session I'm talking, it started last night at 6 p.m. It's now 9:40 a.m. the following day. So it's a lot of price action contained in that. All right. Sell stop order, guys. Sell stop order right there. Underneath that wick. And I'm triggered in, guys. Triggered in now. Short. Looking for 30 points. Risking 25. Patience now. This has everything to do with what I'm seeing on the Three Sisters. I'm going to show it to you in a moment here. Just managing my own platform here for one moment. Let me show it to you here. We're getting strength now. Of course, this is not helping the trade, but the Dow was late on pulling back, and so I'm taking the late pullback here. Given that these are all up about the same today, it's not about relative strength and weakness in this moment. Patience. Still watching. Not really cooperative. Okay, now we go. The lower highs will be helpful potentially. Although the Dow's looking a little stronger now. Here we go. Still in here, guys. Here we go. Takes a lot of impulse control right now. Watching this thing dance about. It is 9:44. I entered at 9:41, and I typically wait the first 10 minutes. That would be 9:40. I literally entered a minute after the first 10-minute opening range, allowing things to kind of calm down and settle a little bit. And very often you'll see a sort of pullback like this after a big, strong move for the first 10 minutes. It's not across the board. It's not always. It's not guaranteed. None of that business. But when you've watched this long enough, you get to see certain patterns, and it becomes part of your mandate. Patience now. So this is a variation on a zone reversal, guys. Clearly, we had broken into a fresh range here. But given what I was seeing on the other three sisters, this felt like a rejection and a zone reversal opportunity, at least the beginnings of it. I can clean up this chart here so you can see this a little more clearly. No guarantees. This thing could absolutely fly from here. But again, time of day, first 10 minutes, open range, three sister behavior, on and on. Tapping the 2.5 standard deviations extension, which by most measures is overextended, at least for the interim, right? I'm just trying to get a small piece here. Looking here for the 30 points, guys. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here, guys. We'll probably see you a little bit later. Thanks for your patience, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks for also, in advance, clicking the like button if you don't mind, and subscribe if you haven't already. I typically upload, 1 to 6 videos a day, and so to be notified would be helpful to many. Thanks again. We'll talk soon. Take care.